Okay, so this is a really short video about how you can add custom tabs to your teams. You notice I'm in test team 1, which we created earlier. Got the general tab, and you should be familiar with the post files, assignments, and grades. You'll notice there's a plus sign there though. Now this plus sign, if you click on that, we can add lots of different apps. There's loads of ones from Flipgrid. There's just lots and lots of different apps. You can explore those. There's some you might want to use. There's like Poly, which is like a survey one. There's Quizlet, which I know we've used, and I believe there is others. But the one I want to focus on today is, if you go up to the top, you will see one that says website. Now, say for example, you wanted to add in a website which you use a lot. So if I just go and click on, say I wanted to add, just for example, the BBC website, because I wanted to show the students in the computer science group or the technology news that I could go to the BBC website and I could copy the link and I could paste the link in there. As you can see, BBC News Technology. I would change that to BBC. I could post the channel to the tab so it will actually appear in the actual channel, so they can just click on that. You can take that off if you don't want it to be in the actual post section, and I'll just have it appear at the top. But if I press save, you'll notice BBC's appeared up there, and it's actually embedded the website what I wanted to have a look at. Now you can do this for your OneDrive files when you share a folder. So for example, if I dragged this across and I wanted to share all these MS Teams videos with everybody, I could click on there, I could right click, I could share. Remembering, I don't want to give everyone the actual layering editing option, I just want them to have a look at it. Press apply. I get the link, so I've copied that link's copied. If I go back into Teams, and go back to plus, go to website, and I paste the link, and I'm going to call this MS Teams video. Okay, press save. Notice I've got this tick this time just to show you. Okay, so that's saved, and you will see it appear at the top, and it's got MS Teams videos all embedded in. And if I go back to the posts, you'll see I've added a new tab, and they can just click to there straight away to actually access it. Now, what is good about this is you can use this if you're sharing your Google Drive setup. I know a lot of departments have been using Google Drive in the past. It's exactly the same process. You're merely just going to the plus tab, adding the website, and you would put your Google Drive setup there. Obviously, you'd lose some of the functionality because obviously it's embedding the Google Drive into Teams, and I would strongly advise you port your stuff across to OneDrive. But for the short-term purposes, you can actually embed that in. If I wanted to get rid of these, so I've decided actually I don't, I've got the drop down, I could rename it, I can go to settings, so I can change the URL if I wanted to, but I want to get rid of that one, so I just click remove, remove, and there we go, it's all gone. You can right click on them, click remove, and it's gone. And you remember the post, because we set up our settings, I can just go to the three options or the three dots, go to delete, and there you go, that's been deleted. So no, they'll just show you that's there. And that's how you can add and embed other tabs in the top. It just embeds all the websites, and it usually appears near the top for you to go through.